That was forward and then stop. Forward and stop. Forward, not doing anything. Forward, not doing anything. Forward, no. Forward and stop. No difference in the pressure on the control. Sometimes it does, and now each of these times it goes and stops. Try it again. Forward. Now it's turning.
Single wheel turning, the other one's not turning.
But still,
Stop.
the control is only forward.
Can you go forward again?
And go forward. No response. Now responding forward and stopping when let up.
So this is with the remote control and a single forward command and then a stop command when the joystick goes to neutral position. And it shows a forward arrow when it goes forward, so we know for sure it is sending the command. When we start the program, for some reason, and I'll put the code in this video, it begins, well, sometimes it begins running itself. This time it didn't. Try forward and stop.
Forward, nothing. Forward going and stop when let up.
So maybe 50% of the time it works right. Well, maybe more than 50%.
Like 70, but not 100. Okay, forward, nothing happened. Forward and it goes, and let up, it stops. Forward, nothing happens. Forward, goes and stops.
So we'll do more.